Hi, I'm Marc von Grundherr, Director at Benham Reeves, here today at the Green Quarter in the West London Borough of Ealing to give you a market update. Well, this is one of London's most ambitious regeneration projects by the leading Tier 1 UK developer Berkeley Homes, where they're building an impressive 3,750 new homes on this vast 88-acre site. And if you consider the name, the Green Quarter, it gives you an indication of what's going on here. Berkeley are creating not one, but two brand new parks, a 4.5-acre central garden and a 9-acre wetlands. Then there's the development itself with the typical Berkeley high-end specification, all homes coming with outside space, 5-star facilities including concierge, swimming pool, gym, spa, private residence lounge, screening room and underground parking. And then there's a new primary school, health centre and lots of new commercial space for a supermarket, cafes, bars, restaurants and shops to create a whole new community. Connectivity is amazing. There's a Crossrail station next door to get you to the West End in just 17 minutes, Canary Wharf in about 30 minutes and Heathrow in 8 minutes. Plus the M4 and M25 motorways are very nearby. Together this all translates into an incredible opportunity for someone buying into the vision to make money. Property prices in the London Borough of Ealing have increased by 68% over the last 10 years, and with the current acute shortage of homes throughout all of London, I'm really confident buyers in the Green Quarter will see significant capital growth as well as strong rents. In fact, so much so, I already bought a home here myself to rent out. So we're expecting studios to achieve anywhere up to £1,200 per month, 1 beds up to £1,350, 2 beds up to £1,750 and 3 beds as much as £2,000 per month. Of course, the actual rent will depend on the size and the outlook. So we'd expect an investor to achieve a yield of around 4.5%. And now for an update on the London property market. Well, things change every day. Unfortunately, the massive property market crash people were talking about has not happened, and in fact quite the opposite, with a recent surge in activity in both the sales and the lettings market. On the sales side, Rightmove reported record levels of buyer activity and the highest number of monthly sales agreed in 10 years. And the number of mortgages approved in September was the highest since September 2007. Whilst the lettings market is okay, with us doing the same number of lets as we did this time last year, we have seen rents on average soften by 7 to 12%, mainly due to excess supply caused by the restriction on travel, which crippled Airbnb and short-term lettings and led to a significant drop in overseas students who stayed in their home countries. But this is short-lived, and when their vaccine is fully operational, things have returned to normality, rents will recover. And on a positive note, tenancy renewals are up with over 67% of our tenants renewing this year. It's important to note today 1/3 of London households live in private rented accommodation, but in 5 years' time, PwC predicts 60% of Londoners will be renting. And even today, we receive an average of 17 inquiries for every available property. At Benham Reeves, we offer a complete one-stop service from handover and snagging to arranging furnishings, to lettings, to rent collection, management and tax returns. With a local branch nearby at Ealing, supported by our network of 17 branches across London and 8 overseas, plus our dedicated Japan and China desks, we offer a professional yet highly personal service to ensure the process is smooth and seamless. And with 65% of properties managed by us, we're able to ensure maintenance issues are dealt with very quickly, and even where we don't manage, we act as an intermediary between landlords and tenants to help the tenancy run smoothly. Firstly, furnish your home as quickly as possible after completion, as there'll be lots of choice, so tenants need to see what they'll be living with. Secondly, make your home stand out by furnishing it to a show home standard so it sticks in prospective tenants' minds. Finally, only work with a professional agent who'll do everything possible to get you the highest rent in the quickest time to the best tenant. If you want further information on the market, an exact rent on your home, or want to talk about the type of tenant we can find for you, please get in touch.